Hi, today I'm ready for Realme 10 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to additional settings. After that click the to screen recording section and you'll see here the sound settings. Here we can see two switchers, the record system sound and microphone sound. So now they are turned off, so this means that you will record the mute video. If you want to comment something, for example, you should tap on the switcher to activate the microphone. Also, if you want to use the system sounds, the medias, so you should use the switcher. Also, if you want, you can use these options together or separately, that doesn't matter. Also got one more way how we can activate and launch the screen recording settings. First open the notification panel shortcuts and somewhere here find screen recording icon. Just hold for a while this icon and then by the same way you can switch and change the sound settings on your Realme 10 Pro Plus and screen recording app. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.